minute they love you, then the next you flop. But I'm not a part of this game that just claim the top. I rock to better define the meaning of hot. It's not hard to find how these lines take life into the form of your boy that be melting this mic. I spit heat, but he can't alter your mind without the truth being spoken that the broken can find. I've been down one too many times, but I wanna blow up like Kanye and touch the sky, so I can teach all my people what it means to fly and see they life at a height that's parallel to God's eyes. I wanna leave a legacy that's beyond any song that belongs on the top of the charts. It ain't wrong, but I gotta make it clear we ain't going nowhere till our faith takes place of the air. Now breathe it in. We ain't going nowhere. There's no plan B. Put your hands in the air. Nah, we ain't going nowhere. Not gonna leave the game till we sitting on top. No, we ain't going nowhere. There's no plan B. Put your hands in the air. Nah, we ain't going nowhere. We've been given too much to stop. I can't.
We gon' riggedy rock cause we can. To the tickety top is hot, play a jam. You can't believe it or not, it's not up to man. We've been given what we've been given.
Yo, it's crunch time cause we wasting time. I leave them off in a time where people got too busy to even want to know about themselves, even that's the ones they love. And we noticed their predicament, therefore we showed up. Hold up, you know my crew calling your bluff. If you ain't spitting true, better check the lines you bust. I can hear the fuss, he's this and he's that. How about educating minds with the lines that you rap? Let's consider that. We raising the bar, healing the scars, and injecting an antidote in those who are called to bring forth the future that our seeds can evolve into a mindset where they can reach for the stars. See, you can't lock group one crew in a box. Yeah, we make hits, but we adding our own touch. 3 years in the making and we just about to begin to leave a mark every time that the record spins. We ain't going nowhere. There's no plan B. Put your hands in the air. Nah, we ain't going nowhere. Not gonna leave the game till we sitting on top. No, we ain't going nowhere. There's no plan B. Put your hands in the air. Nah, we ain't going nowhere. We've been given too much to stop.
It's a little girl I run, but the place that we at, I've been close so many times, yet something will lack. From wax songs I moved on and now it's a fact. I'm like a chain, see I'm necklace, I can't look back. In my 20s and I'm steadily headed for more ground. We got one shot to reach the top, so watch out for the crew who be making moves like checkmate. Just wait, ain't no plan B, homie, just plan A.
We ain't going nowhere. There's no plan B. Put your hands in the air. Nah, we ain't going nowhere. Not gonna leave the game till we sitting on top. No, we ain't going nowhere. There's no plan B. Put your hands in the air. Nah, we ain't going nowhere. We've been given too much to stop. I can't. We've been given too much to stop. I can't. We've been given too much to stop. I can't. We've been given too much to stop. Yeah, huh. It's been a long time coming, y'all. We dreaming big, huh? Yeah. It's Group 1. Yo, since the first time this little boy picked up a mic, I've been dreaming for the day that you would hear it in life. Every word that I spit, hoping you can relate to every pain that I've been feeling since I came out the gate. Used to dream about making it a 6-figure deal, to show this world that this life that I've been living is real. When I make it, I'ma do everything that I promised by remaining honest and praise to my God. I pay homage, take my parents out the stress that they known all they life, and pay all of their bills. Never gotta work till they die. No more asking for extensions to avoid late fees, and no more late nights crying by they bed on their knees. No more buying food on credit cause we lacking the funds. No more wondering where all of this money will come from. God will see me to the day when these words breathe life and manifest the very faith that I continue to write. Yeah, kid growing up, it was hard to adapt. The world didn't love me, so I started to rap. It's cause I have a dream. I have a dream. Late nights all alone, steady feeling confused. You know it, look at my life, ain't got nothing to lose. It's cause I have a dream. Yeah, I have a dream.
A young girl growing up, it was hard to adapt. I felt like every other girl was given life with a map. They seemed to know where they were going, I didn't know jack. I had to play it cool, never let them see where I'm at. Baby girl got tired, and I would never see my daddy. All the boys were lying, and they were always getting at me. You see, I tried hard to remove all the scars, but I could never see my dreams, they were always too far. Dreams of being free, dreams of being able to see. I dreamt a man loved me
got